Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob with the Campbell Chronicles and thank you for joining us today. If you're new to this channel, here we discuss all things family, travel, and Disney. So if any of those are of value to you, definitely consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of our future content to come. Recently I put out a video that discussed Castaway Cay. One of my favorite places, in fact, in the world to visit is Castaway Cay. I love it. The peace, the serenity, the calming, the relaxation that you can get from Castaway Cay it's like my happy place. It really is. I love Castaway Cay. I know I'm not alone. As far as Castaway Cay goes, there's a bunch to do there, but I put together a list of 5 of my favorite things to do there. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and let us know what you think about Castaway Cay. What are some of your favorite things to do there? Do you like to get off the ship even? Let us know down in the comments below. And also one more thing, we have a monthly giveaway I'd love for you guys to get in on. You're definitely going to want to hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on those giveaways. So let's go ahead and dive right in. And by the way, these aren't going to be in any particular order. They're just going to be 5 of my favorites. One of my favorite things to do there is actually spend some adult time on Serenity Bay. Over at Serenity Bay, they have a wonderfully quiet and relaxed area just for adults. I love it. It's one of my favorite things about Castaway Cay. Being able to go to this tropical island, enjoy the white sugar sands, and be able to just relax. Over there, they have an adults only restaurant. This is where you're actually going to be able to get a wonderful steak and a bunch of other wonderful items. So yeah, as far as Serenity Bay goes, definitely up there on my list. One of my next favorite things that I like to do is actually go snorkeling. I love snorkeling. It's one of my favorite pastime activities when I'm on vacation, especially at a tropical location like this. Disney Cruise Line did a wonderful job with this. They set out this huge, wonderful area that you can go snorkel in and go see a Minnie, a Mickey, and a bunch of other stuff. They sunk a submarine, a boat, and a bunch of other things that give really good refuge to the wildlife that live under the water there. So it's not uncommon to see a lot of cool things there, like turtles, baby sharks, not like big ones, but little baby ones that can swim through the net, barracudas. Again, guys, these nets are there to protect you. They're not going to let anything in there that's big. So anything you see there is awesome. Tons and tons of fish, tons of schools of fish, different colors, different variety. My favorite thing that I got to see my last trip there was not one, but two sea turtles. That was cool. That was really cool. Get up close and personal. Don't touch them, but you can get up close and personal with some sea turtles. That was so cool. I loved it. So yeah, snorkeling definitely up there on my list. Another one of my favorite activities to do on Castaway Cay is actually go on a bike ride. This last cruise that we did, we were actually able to rent bikes and go along a paved bike trail out to the lookout tower, and you could walk up the tower and it gives you a whole view of the island. It was really fun. It was so relaxing, so wonderfully nice, beautifully well. Just, oh, I love it. Guys, I didn't think ever pedaling a bike would be so relaxing, but this time, yeah, it was. So I definitely recommend renting some bikes if you're there. They have bikes for all sizes, all ages. They have some with the little baby carrier if you got a young one in tow. So all kinds of, just so fun. Really, really so fun. And don't forget, another one of my favorite things to do is actually drop my kids off. To be able to drop the kids off at the kids areas or the teen areas, the Teen Hideout or Scuttle's Cove, whatever it may be able to drop them off and go have some adult time is one of my favorite things as well. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is actually something that is really cool, and if you think about it, pretty unique. Run Disney events are big, and part of the cost of your cruise actually covers the Castaway Cay 5K. This is actually an official Run Disney event that is included in the cost of your cruise. So if you want to do a Run Disney event for cheap, this is going to be the one you want to do. It's really fun, really cool. The course is super easy. The only thing that could get tricky about it is if you go during those hot summer months and you're not used to the heat and the humidity, that could take a toll. So be prepared for that. But otherwise, it was really fun. We went in March and it was pretty warm. It was in the high 80s, but it was bearable. The humidity was a little bit lower than normal, so we did just fine. Castaway Cay was amazing. As far as our favorites go, that's pretty much it. That's our top 5. Now when we went, the excursions were down, the winds were a little too strong for some of those more adventurous excursions, so maybe next time we're going to hit up some of those. But otherwise, we just had a fantastic time. That's going to about wrap it up for us today, guys. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Have you been to Castaway Cay? Is there something that I talked about that made you want to go even more? Let me know. I'd love to hear from the community. Thanks again for watching, and remember, adventure is out there.